Introducing Agile Analytics, a specialist consulting firm and a Microsoft Gold partner in data analytics and application integration. We consult, design, and deliver modern data platform and analytics solutions to leverage your organization's data assets, enabling you to become data-driven by design. Our team of Microsoft certified consultants deliver end-to-end solutions, from strategy and roadmaps to the design and development of your data platform, Power BI dashboards, and advanced analytics use cases. Need to fill skill gaps in your team? Our Microsoft certified trainers can help you develop applicable skills in your team. We provide resources to support your project or to maintain your system after it goes live. We also offer low-code application development, including process automation on the Microsoft Power Platform. This way, you can rapidly build enterprise-grade technology solutions that streamline your data capture needs and automate many of your manual processes. We have extensive experience working with mid to large-sized organizations across multiple domains and business functions. Ready to start your organization's journey to data-driven transformation? Agile Analytics can help. We look forward to helping you on your journey.